Flat designs are out. It's time to pop them up. Watch till the end to see how a simple element turns into a stunning 3D illusion in Canva. It's quick, creative, and perfect to make your designs stand out. So let's get started. First, open Canva and go to the Elements section. In the search bar, type Flamingo, as we'll be creating a 3D pop effect using this image. Now, adjust the flamingo image on your page. Position it in a way that helps enhance the 3D look. Next, in the Elements section, search for Curve. Click on See More Designs and choose the one that best fits your vision. Once you've selected the curve, change its color to white and adjust it as shown. Now duplicate the curve, increase its size, and place it at the bottom of the image. Duplicate it again, rotate it, and do the same on the other side. Now go to the Tools section and select Draw. Choose the highlighter brush, set the color to white, and in the settings, adjust both the weight and transparency to 100. Now use the white brush to fill in the leftover areas. Next, download the page as a PNG. Drag it into Upload section. Now, add a new page and choose any background color you like. Add the downloaded image to the new page and adjust it as needed. Now go to Edit and select Magic Grab. Choose the brush, increase its size, and use it highlight only area of the image that you want to grab. Click on Grab. Now click on the original image and delete it. You'll be left with the grabbed area. Next, go to Edit again, select Shadows, and choose Outline. Change the outline color to white. Now download the image as PNG with a transparent background. Drag the downloaded image into the Upload section. Add a new page and set any background color of your choice. Now add the transparent image to the new page. Again, go to Edit, select Shadows and choose Curved Shadow. Set the curve to 100 and the distance to 0. You'll now see the 3D pop effect difference clearly. Now add the full image again and position it as before. After that, decrease its transparency and overlap it on the image behind, adjusting the size to match the original. Then, increase its transparency, remove the background, and crop the image as needed. Now group all the elements together and position them perfectly on the page. And here's our final output. Hope you loved the 3D pop-out effect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.